Guys, Sophie has her permit.
Hey.
And now she's gonna try and back the truck down so I can connect the trailer. I'm gonna try and instruct her. Sophie, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
First time.
I think I'll do fine.
First time. All right, here we go, guys. All right, that's good. So,
Okay.
hold on, wait. Let me get out.
Can I take off my seatbelt?
No, roll the windows down. All right, guys, look, we're gonna see how she does here. Come on, look at your mirrors. No. Well, grass, come on. Cut it. Harder. Slower. Okay. Stop. All right, Sophie, I need you to go forward, and you need to back it down tighter to the left side, or to the right side, actually. Let's see how she does this. There you go. Come on, straight back. Straighten it out. Straight. Slower. Whoa. Hold on. Stop. Listen, when you're doing this, you never have to put the gas.
The car's not moving.
Well, then just touch the gas, okay? Because you're gonna like run me over, okay? So, all right. So listen, just real slow. If you take your foot off the brake and it doesn't move because you're on an incline, just mildly touch the gas, just a tiny little bit, okay? And then you got to look at this mirror, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna go like this or like this, to tell you which way that you got. And that's not which way. If I go like this, that doesn't mean you turn the wheel that way. Actually, it does. If I go like this, it means you turn the wheel that way. If I go like this, it means turn the wheel this way. All right? But you look pretty straight. So, real slow, straight back. Okay, good. Come on back. Straight. That way a little bit. And stop. Go forward about 6 inches. And stop. A little bit more. Good. Put in park. All right, now I need the keys. Good job, Sophie.
Hey.
All right. Good job, baby girl. First time ever backing down on a trailer. How'd that feel?
It felt good.
A little nerve-wracking?
Not really.
No?
No.
Okay, good.
I feel like it'll be more nerve-wracking, like when I start driving with the boat.
All right, so she's ambitious, guys. She wants to drive with the boat.
Hey, I gotta start someday.
No, that'll help me out, because you can You can literally drop me off at the boat ramp.
That's what I'm saying.
And just come home.
Yeah, I feel like that wasn't like that nerve-wracking, because it's just backing into a parking spot. But with the boat, like that's something different.
Yeah,
like,
we'll practice with the trailer only first. All right, guys. Sophia is going to trail Priscilla for the very first time, guys. And so go ahead and put your seatbelt on. So here's what you're gonna do. Everything is nice and slow.
And wide.
Well, slow and wide, but we gotta get it out of the gate. So we gotta make sure we're nice and slow. I'm gonna direct you, okay? So start going slow and go straight out. Just straight. Slower. There we go. Yep, so far so good. All right, stop. All right. We're gonna go fishing. Sophie's gonna drop us off at the ramp. Let's see how this goes, guys. I'm not gonna have her back the boat down. All right, Sophia. Now listen, when you're driving a trailer, everything is wide. So you gotta and there's a tree right here, so you got to creep out there. Like, go straight out towards this thing, nice and slow. See if there's anybody coming. All right, now turn hard. All right, and keep it wide. Straighten out. Keep it wide. All right, very good. Okay. Now, just a little bit of gas. Renzo, what do you think about this? You have mixed feelings, don't you?
Yeah.
You can tell.
Mixed feelings.
About Sophia driving with Priscilla on the back.
Yeah.
You drive Priscilla all the time, so like this is my side of the deal. You drive
It's true.
Priscilla and I'll give Priscilla a ride.
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. We are going to. We have a boat ramp right inside of our neighborhood, so Sophie's not going on to main roads. So we're just having her trail the boat for the very first time. There's Priscilla back there. She's good. All right, so come on up. Remember, we're gonna turn left here. When you make that left turn, all right, there's nobody coming this side. You look good. No, stop. Okay, after this guy, go ahead. Nice and wide. Towards the 25 sign. There we go. Stay wide. So when you come out wide, you stay wide because the back tires from the trailer have to miss the curb. So you got to stay wide. And yep. Okay, good.
We good.
Good so far?
Yeah.
Guys, what do you think? Sophie, how's it feel trailing a boat?
It feels a little bit heavier, like you can tell that there's something on the car.
Yeah.
But
All right, there's a speed bump here. Take it nice and slow. Remember, you got your two wheels of the truck. Slower. Okay, now keep it slow until you feel the wheels of the boat.
I didn't feel it.
All right, they went around it. Good. Okay, now we're going to turn right in here. You're going to super wide. Turn right in. Okay, keep it wide towards the fire hydrant. All right, keep it wide. All right, now you're going to do the same thing here. Come wider. Come wide. All right, now turn wide towards the stop sign and stay wide towards that curb. So you got to miss that curb right there. Oh yeah, you're good.
Good?
Don't hit the lady with the baby.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, do not hit the lady with the baby or the curb.
That's a great idea.
Or the curb. You're doing good, Soph.
Thanks.
All right.
And then you pull out.
Now you're going to stop. I'm going to do that part. Stop right here. Right here's good. Right here's good. Sophie, good job. Tell me about your thoughts on trailing a boat.
Priscilla.
She's pretty light.
She's pretty light.
She's a lightweight.
She's pretty lightweight, yeah. But other than that, it's basically driving, even with regularly driving a truck, you have to go pretty wide out.
Yeah.
Because it's a truck. So it's just twice as much as that.
Good job,
So
Soph.
it's good.
You're going to be dropping us off for fishing
Oh yeah.
soon. All right.
Okay, guys, my dad is gonna put Priscilla in the water. He says he's gonna show me how it's done, but I don't know. I think that a couple of months, maybe even a month, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Little close to the edge there.
Perfect. What are you talking about?
Okay, Dad.
Perfect.
Little close there. I don't know about that. Little close to that wall. Yeah, I could do better.
Ready? See you at home, son.
Yeah, I could drive home. I drive? Ugh.
All right, Sophie.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you learn about backing down a boat? What'd you see? I'm just curious because I've never really trained her on how to do that. But what'd you see backing a boat down?
Nice and slow.
Mm-hmm. What are you filming?
You?
Just making sure. We're gonna do a little training tutorial on how to back a boat down. Because when you back a trailer down, if you want your trailer to go left, or actually right, you turn the wheel.
Oh.
It's everything's in reverse because it hinges like this.
Oh yeah, I could
It's
tell
really
you that.
strange.
I could have told you that.
Really takes some getting used to. So, for right now, we are just going to watch this. We're going to do this really quick. I'm going to back it down.
The grass there a little bit, Dad.
Oh,
Hit the grass there a little bit.
is that right? You went full bore over that.
Well, I've been driving for 2 months.
2 months.
Not even.
Okay. Well, now I'm going to go fishing. Sophie, thank you for driving me.
Of course.